It's a will to prepare to win that matters. I guess we all are striving, as parents, you are striving for that, and at school, as education, we are striving for that. So now may I request Mrs. Khyati Lakhani, Head Coordinator Universal Beginnings, to come and do the honors for grade 1. Let us put our hands together for these young winners of grade 1. Arnav Devkar, a cheerful child who stood second in group craft competition. He stood second in school in 17th National Science Olympiad. I can't hear you, parents. Please put your hands together. Thank you. Kalash Dodal, a quiet and well-disciplined child who secured second position in group craft competition. Congratulations, Kalash. Pradnesh Pakhare, an energetic child who stood third in group craft competition. Anvi Agarwal, a smart girl who stood third in group craft competition. She stood first in school. Please hold there, Anvi. A long list, please hold, Anvi. Anvi. She stood third in group craft competition. She stood first in school in 8th Maths Olympiad, second in school in 5th English Olympiad. I'm tired. She has also grabbed the gold medal in inter-school DSO matches. Congratulations, Anvi. We are proud of you. Swara Ransubhe, and very enthusiastic child who stood first in collage making and third in recitation competition. One more is there, parents. Please keep clapping. She stood third in school in National Science Olympiad. Congratulations, Swara. Yuvraj Khandagle, a very friendly child who secured second position in fancy dress competition. Congratulations, Yuvraj. Shravin Chaube, a very quiet and well-disciplined child who stood second in picture composition and second in recitation competition. Very good, Shravin. Rudraksh Padaswan, an enthusiastic child who stood third in coloring competition and first in group craft competition. Smile. See, parents, you're not clapping there, so our young achievers are not ready to smile. Please keep clapping. Here comes Sana Madathinkal, a genius who stood first in coloring competition, first in picture composition. Please keep clapping. Third in group craft competition. She stood first in school in 17th National Science Olympiad and second in 8th Maths Olympiad, and also stood first in 5th English Olympiad. Congratulations. Ganesh Sonaune, a cheerful child who stood first in group paper craft competition. Congratulations, Ganesh. Arya Sadafule, a very smart child who secured third position in picture composition. She stood third in school in 8th Maths Olympiad and 5th in English Olympiad. Very good. Here comes Mazuddin Syed, an energetic child who secured third position in fancy dress competition. Next achiever is Kasi Vishweshwar Rao, a quiet and pleasant child who stood first in group craft competition. Arya Shirsat, very pleasant and well-disciplined child who secured first position in group craft competition and third in collage making competition. Arya Patil, a vibrant and bubbly child who stood first in recitation and fancy dress and second in coloring and collage making competitions. Ayush Madhekar, a quiet and cheerful child who stood first in group craft competition. Congratulations, Ayush. Thank you, Khyati ma'am. Now may I request Mr. Harish Luharuka, our head academics, to please come and do the honors. We'll begin with grade 2 winners. Aditi Pathak, a cheerful and easygoing girl who stood first in fancy dress, second in coloring and picture composition competition. Good, Aditi. Veer Chauhan, a talented child who stood second in recitation competition, National Science Olympiad and third in school in 8th Maths Olympiad. Congratulations, Veer. Nazeeb Sheikh, a calm and composed child who stood first in group craft competition. Pradyuman Sonawane, an alert and active child who stood second in school 17th National Science Olympiad and third in school in 5th English Olympiad. Congratulations, Pradyuman. Pranjal Vaidya. Pranjal has won first prize in coloring competition. She stood third in school 17th National Science Olympiad and stood second in 5th English Olympiad. Ramanand Deshpande, a very quiet and well-disciplined child who secured second position in collage making competition. Vedant Shirurkar. Vedant has won first prize in recitation competition, second in fancy dress, second in group craft competition. He stood first in school in 17th National Science Olympiad and stood first in school in 8th Maths Olympiad. Arihanta Ajmera, an all-rounder. Arihanta has secured first position in picture composition, third in coloring and group craft competition. He also stood second in school in 8th Maths Olympiad and also stood first in school in 5th English Olympiad. Very good, Arihanta. Ayan Mohammed, a brilliant child who stood third in picture composition and recitation competition. Ali Saleh, an energetic child who secured first position in collage making competition, second in group craft competition. Siddharth Rane. Siddharth Rane is a very calm child who stood first in group craft competition and third in fancy dress competition. Mayur Jadhav, a very calm and composed child who stood second in group craft competition. Very good, Mayur. Mohammad Ayan Jagirdar, a very well-disciplined child who secured third position in group craft competition, collage making competition and recitation competition. And here come the winners of grade 3. Parents, please put your hands together for grade 3 winners. Kirti Sarode, an alert and active child who stood first in English storytelling competition, craft clay modeling, second in drama competition. She stood third in school in 8th Maths Olympiad and stood second in 5th English Olympiad. Wonderful, Kirti. Yash Sarode, a well-mannered child who stood second in drama competition. He stood second in school in 8th Maths Olympiad. Ansh Jaiswal. He's a very polite and cheerful child who stood first in coloring competition. He stood first in school in 17th National Science Olympiad, also stood first in school in 8th Maths Olympiad and first in school in 5th English Olympiad. Very good, Ansh. Sneha Khillari, a friendly child who stood first in drama competition, third in school. She stood third in school in 5th English Olympiad. Very good, Sneha. Sanika Abhisai, a pleasant child who stood first in creative writing competition. Very good, Sanika. Here are the winners of grade 4. Aditya Nagulkar, a calm and composed child again who stood first in English elocution competition. Siddhant Karpe, an imaginative and creative child who stood first in craft competition. Very good, Siddhant. Utkarsh Patil, a smart boy who stood first in coloring, drama and creative writing competition. Parents, I said first. First in coloring, drama, creative writing competition. He stood first in school in 17 National Science Olympiad and stood first in school in 8 Maths Olympiad. Also stood first in 5th English Olympiad. We are proud of them, all of them. Aman Sheikh, a friendly child who stood first in drama competition. Very good, Aman. Here are young achievers from grade 5. Aditi Desarda, and very affectionate child, cheerful child, who stood first in creative writing, Western vocal chorus, second in coloring and paper quilling competition. She has also grabbed a gold medal in inter-school TSO matches. Wonderful. Irfan Shah, a polite and very calm child who stood first in Western vocal chorus and second in drama competition. Wonderful. Shreyas Madhekar, a cheerful child who stood first in Western vocal chorus and second in drama competition. Jeet Borde, he is very enthusiastic child who stood first in Western vocal chorus, drama competition and English elocution competition. He stood first in school in 17 National Science Olympiad and also stood third in school in 8 Maths Olympiad. Wonderful, Jeet. Altamas Sheikh, last two winners. Parents, please put your hands together. Altamas Sheikh, an obedient and affectionate child who stood first in Western vocal chorus and coloring competition. He stood second in school in 8 Maths Olympiad. Our last winner of the day is Saurabh Damne, a lively and happy child who stood first in Western vocal chorus and paper quilling competition. He stood second in school in 17 National Science Olympiad, first school rank in 8 Maths Olympiad. He also stood first in school in 5th English Olympiad. Please put your hands together for little Saurabh.